Hey, thanks for coming back to the Bobtail Help Desk. If you're new here, I'm Caroline, and the Bobtail Help Desk is like your trucking business 101 class. Except don't worry, because I give you all the answers to every test. At Bobtail, we provide a hassle-free factoring service for truckers with no long-term contracts and no hidden fees. Factoring is a financial service that helps trucking business owners maintain cash flow. That means they always have money in the bank to pay their expenses. And actually, today, let's talk about money in the bank, specifically why you should have a business bank account and how to open one. You might think that if you're the only person running your business, you can just keep all your business money and personal money in your personal bank account. But just because you can, doesn't mean you should. What you should do is open a business bank account. And here's why. First up, limited personal liability. This sort of goes along with separating your business assets and your personal assets using an LLC or corporation. Check out our video on business legal structures for more information on that. A business bank account offers limited personal liability when it comes to finances. That means if your business goes into debt, the business entity is responsible for paying it back, not the owners personally. If all your personal and business money is mixed up together in one account, how would anyone know what belongs to the business and what belongs to you as a person? Next up is separating personal expenses and business expenses. You may be using your own savings to start your business, but once it's up and running, your business should have its own money to save, spend, and invest. Things can get really messy when you start mixing up insurance and fuel payments with mortgage and car payments, especially if you're managing your household with a partner or a family member. Also, having a business bank account can make tax season a lot easier. Think about it. You'll have one separate account where all of your tax-deductible business expenses are registered there, easy for you to access. Business banking can also help you build your business's credit. Just like you build personal credit to get things like credit cards and loans, your business can too. This is especially important in the case of an emergency or when you want to grow. Need an extra line of credit to get through the next month? Or maybe you're ready to buy your next truck and get into the flatbed business. Both of these things are so much easier if your business has a good credit score. Having a business bank account can also set you up well for growth. It might just be you managing your company's finances right now, but think about your business 2, 5, 10 years down the line. As you grow, you might want to hire someone like an accountant or bookkeeper that would help you with payroll, collections, and taxes. If you have a business bank account, you can give them access to your accounts and have them manage the finances while you supervise and focus on other things in the business. Finally, having a business bank account just looks better. When you're making and receiving payments in a personal account, it can look kind of suspicious. But when you open a business bank account, it has your business's name on it, making it look more professional. Okay, you should be convinced by now that you really should open a business bank account for your new trucking company. So let's talk about the different types of accounts that you can open and what you're going to need to open one. Every bank has its own types of accounts for businesses, but generally they fall into these categories: savings, checking, credit cards, and merchant accounts. We recommend opening a checking and savings account at the very least. Credit cards are important too for building your business's credit and maintaining cash flow. But be careful, make sure that you're confident that you can make the payments on time. When you're ready to open your business bank account, here's what you're going to need. First, there are some things that you would need to open any bank account, personal or business, like a photo ID, social security number, and contact information. When opening a business bank account, you're going to need additional information like the social security number of anyone who owns at least 25% of the company and the legal structure and legal documents of the formation of your company. You're also going to want to have on hand your employer identification number, or EIN, your business license, your DBA certificate, and any ownership agreements. Finally, how do you find the right bank or credit union for your business? Here are some things to consider. First, when you're shopping around for a bank or credit union, check out their introductory offers. Some banks will offer a cash bonus for signing up with them and opening a business bank account. Next, comparing interest rates on both savings accounts and credit cards can help you make the right decision. Also, ask about the bank's fees. Some banks will charge an early termination fee for closing your account within a certain period of time. For checking and savings account, there's usually a minimum balance you need to maintain in order to avoid fees. Make sure you know these policies and can compare those policies between banks and credit unions in order to make the best choice. The availability of ATMs and branches around the country can be really important, especially for OTR drivers. If you like doing banking in person and you use ATMs a lot, make sure you always have access to your bank wherever you are. Also, compare the features that you have for making payments, wire transfers, doing online or mobile banking, and doing bill pay. These can be really important for a small business. You want to be able to make payments and receive payments quickly and easily. Finally, pay attention to how people treat you. You want to have really good customer service. When things don't go as planned, as they often do in trucking, you're going to want to be able to get someone on the phone or chat, however you prefer to communicate, and solve those problems. There you go. You're ready to go out and find the perfect bank or credit union for your trucking business and open a business bank account. We have some recommendations of some banks you might want to consider in the article that I wrote for our blog, so I'll link that below. If you learned something new from this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And comment with your questions about the trucking industry or with how to start your trucking company. I'll see you in the next video.